Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your WhatsApp homepage background, and also I will show you how to customize your WhatsApp chat box background. Before starting the video, I will ask you something. Till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video fast. So let's start the video. At first go to your WhatsApp. Here click on three dot option. Then go to setting option. Then click here chats. After that click on wallpaper. Click on change for changing this default background. You can use your photo for WhatsApp chatbox background from my photos. If you want just change the background color, then click here solid color. Select your color, then click here set wallpaper. You can also change the opacity of color by increasing or decreasing this wallpaper dimming. Go back and let's see if it changes. Okay friend, now you can see my WhatsApp chat background is changed. Okay, now let's see how we can change WhatsApp homepage background. At first go to Play Store, then search here designer tools. Install this one. My installing process is complete. Okay, now open this app. Click here mockup overlay and enable this mockup overlay option. Allow this option display over other apps. Now click here portrait. Then select your image. You can change image opacity from here. Friend, as you can see, my WhatsApp homepage background is changed. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you have any queries, write here in the below comment box. And thanks for watching this video.